Well, that last one was a bust. Who's up next?
This name is written in this really extravagant cursive. I can't really read it. Should I just call them in?
I guess so.
Next contestant, please come out.
Hey!
Yo, yo!
Hello. Can you state your name and what you're auditioning for? Also, be sure to face the camera when you do so.
Camera, you say? Well, hello world! My name is one of many that you may have heard, but certainly never gets old. Wait, so you're wanting me to say it in a certain way, or...?
Bro, just state your name. It's not that deep.
Sorry. Well, then I'll come with it. My name is...
Wait. Hold up. You do actually look familiar.
Oh? Oh, really?
Wait, yeah. You're from, what was it called?
Great to hear. My reputation still precedes
You're
me.
Spinell from Steven Universe!
No.
You're one of them Animaniacs, right?
Pardon?
Oh, I know! You're Mickey Mouse!
I am a rabbit!
Yeah, but you look like some salami sandwich radio rabbit singer cartoon.
Oswald! My name is Oswald, the Lucky Rabbit, and I am auditioning for a music gig here.
That was my next guest.
Okay, Oswald. This conversation is dragging out, and so is the video release. So the sooner we finish, the better.
Wait, what does that mean?
Anyways, you gonna show me what you got, or...?
With pleasure. Hey there, the name is Ozzy. I hope that you agree. If one rabbit is lucky, then there's no doubt it's me. Reach for the stars, run but you'll never catch me. Sure, you'll go far, but can't forget about me.
The boyfriend's back up again. Ozzy, we can be friends. What will we do with the band? You've got skills, I must connect my compadre. Let's go for a friendly match. Let us display what we can do. There's no can
But it doesn't matter.
when you have the luckiest girl. Getting
Always be
I've been kinda liking him so far. He's all nice and old-timey.
old-timey.
Got really good at some spot. Or is it just me? Now don't act like something you're not. Don't let your back fall fast. I tell young to have your regular unfold. Not this routine.
What you have to say that you just had to be rude? You mess with a rabbit who can show you what goes on.
Because of you, this isn't making happen. Keep it up in your school. I wanted to be pals, but it seems like that's not been done here. Right, just look how we were chosen to sing.
I'll stop for an old head.
I get to bring